concept of the Theatre of Digital Art is a truly immersive experience. We have 360-degree projection, we have different artworks on display, we have multiple shows a day. It's a first, I believe, in the UAE, so we're bringing a whole new aspect to the art scene here. The experience as a visitor, it's really interesting when you come in, you see something different every time because of the animation. We're supported by the Epson team with our projections to give a real crisp, clear picture. ToDA offers something for everybody. We have a range of different performances and experiences here.
We had to improve our picture, so we went through the process of choosing different projectors. Van Gogh's painting is all about the colors, so you didn't see all these details in the previous projectors we had here. We chose Epson for the high quality and the sharp image that they produce. Feedback were amazing after Epson's installation. All of the customers, they appreciate the picture.
Reliability is crucial for us at ToDA. We have 11 shows a day, which is almost 80 shows a week. We want our visitors to have a unique experience, and Epson really supports with that. We have crisp colours, the brightness of the artworks that are projected is like nothing I've ever seen before. So the visitors really feel like they're stepping into a painting and they're part of the artist's mind. They're really appreciative of this immersive experience.
At ToDA, we have deployed 18 state-of-the-art Pro projectors with up to 15K lumens, offering laser-sharp images for large rooms and venues. In addition to the laser projectors, we added a variety of lenses for more flexibility and high-quality images in narrow spaces. We needed to ensure that the projectors we chose for ToDA added the maximum brightness, colors, and light to bring the best out of the artistic work being displayed. The selected Epson display solutions provided laser-sharp images, HD, 4K enhancements, and flexible 360-degree installation. Epson's 3 LCD technology was a major deciding factor, as no other vendor offered a similar solution, and ToDA recognized that difference in quality. They were also amazed by the built-in edge blending technology to cover all the edges and stacking options, as well as the color calibration that can be automatically done through the Epson software, which allows maximum control of the entire fleet from a single access point. The feedback for Epson's projectors has been outstanding, from the brightness to superior image quality, impressive resolution, and vivid colors. The laser technology has been vital in reducing ToDA's yearly costs, while still improving many visual elements of the show.
Epson brings the artwork to life. For quality, reliability, support, Epson was the best.